Hello viewers and Assalamu alaikum. The time for the big game is right now. So we're gonna take out this marinated beef and let me just open this up.
มองซ้ายมองขวาเห็นมันวางอยู่ขอบก็ลองสอบถามดูว่ามีของใครไหมถ้าไม่มีก็ท่านนำไปลองได้เลยนะครับขอความกรุณาทุกท่านนะครับโปรดลองเตาให้ได้ทุกเตาด้วยนะครับโปรดลองเตาด้วยนะครับเพราะย้ำด้วยนะครับเพราะว่า
Oops.
บนดอยนี้นะครับก็ดูแลเรื่องเกี่ยวกับบริเวณหญ้านี้ก็ค่อนข้างจะยากอยู่นะครับถ้ามันตายไปแล้ว
Our beef cubes are now fully marinated in the spice mix, and they are fully tender because of the young papaya paste that we added. We're going to use the wooden sticks as skewers, and for today's barbecue we're going to inaugurate our brand new grill and the charcoal briquettes that we're going to use, and we're going to use these solid alcohol cubes so that our charcoal briquettes can catch fire quickly and become ready as quickly as possible. Charcoal seems almost ready, and the cedar fan actually helped us a lot in the whole process. Although we didn't bought this fan for this purpose, but it turned out to be a very good tool. Now we're going to prepare the steaks, and we're going to add, let's see, 4 or 5 cubes at max, because we got to make sure that there's enough space on both sides, and it should not exceed the width of the grill. So I think 4 would be good enough. This part is important. We need to squeeze them together to make sure that the spice mix is quite gelled and intact, and this will also prevent the dryness, and your barbecue would be like sort of juicy from the inside. Keep rolling them over after every few minutes. You have to make sure that the cooking happens evenly across all the sides, and you won't get any black spots. And keep dropping the oil on top of these skewers or sticks. The additional oil on top will make sure that the barbecue is not dry, and this also adds a lot of taste, because some of the oil and juice will drop down onto the charcoal, and you'll get the kind of a smoke feeling, smoke taste, and this is very important for a good barbecue. So patience is what you need to have a wonderful, well done, juicy, spicy barbecue. And it seems like that we are doing quite a good job here. guys, now our barbecue is ready, and now we're going to take out all the sticks one by one into the hot pot. And this is our second and final batch. We're going to let it cook slowly, and in the meanwhile we're going to start our dinner with the first batch. So let us try. Yeah, this one. Superb. That's what I call a wonderful barbecue. Perfect. So this is, guys, how it looks at night here at the Doi Inthanon National Park headquarter campsite, and it is very properly lit area with proper floodlights and street lights. At the other end, you can see there's a market and different stalls that are set up, the parking area, and behind the parking area, there's a sequence of different shops that are set up that offers meals and groceries and basic like tuck shop and other stuff, ice beverages, water bottles, so you can get anything that you need from all these shops and stalls around. Doi Inthanon National Park, Thailand. So the environment is quite chill at the time. The temperature is, I think, somewhere around 14 degrees centigrade right now, and it's a very lively, um, very well lit camping site of Doi Inthanon, and there are a lot of activities. People are cooking, they're enjoying the camping time, and at the center of the camp, close to the headquarter building, they have set up a kind of a stage for children. So that's all, guys, from us in this episode. um, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your family and friends, and also provide your valuable feedback and comments. Thank you. See you in our next episode. Take care and goodbye.